Hi guys, good morning to you. This is Who's the Kitchen Fairy with another recipe vlog for indorecipe.com, and for today's recipe it is cranberry and cream cheese muffins. These are good warm, fresh, or at room temperature. Even the cats like them. Check out the full video as usual again. Bye. So this is 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, a generous pinch of salt, and half cup of sugar. We're just gonna mix this and then make a well in center and add in the rest of the ingredients. Beat 2 eggs in a bowl until completely combined. So we're gonna add in 1 cup of milk and then beaten eggs and half tablespoon of vanilla essence, and this is also with 6 tablespoons of canola oil, and we're gonna add in our 1 cup of cream cheese chips and half cup of sweetened dried cranberries or more. Again, mix it until just combine like so, and then grease a large muffin pan and drop by half cup like so. Now we're gonna bake it on preheated 400 Fahrenheit for 18 to 20 minutes depending on your oven.